Hi, welcome to Madras Academy. In this session, we are going to learn about operators. In PHP, we have 8 operators. One is arithmetical operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, increment and decrement operator, logical operator, string operator, array operator, conditional assignment operator. So totally 8 operators we are having. How to write the operators? We'll see that. Here I am given a operator name and as well as operator. Arithmetical operator. We need to write plus, minus, multiple, division, modulus and exponential operator. Okay. And here arithmetical assignment operator means in all the arithmetical operator we are having equal to symbol. Okay. Except this exponential operator, we are having all the other operator and nearby we are having equal to. Like that you can remember it. Okay. Comparison operator or we can call as a conditional operator. Here it is equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Like that we are having an operators here. And increment and decrement operator or we can name like unary operator. Okay, unary operator. Here we are having plus plus, minus minus. In this we have two types, post increment and pre increment. Mostly we are using this operator in looping condition. Okay, so how to use this operator in loop, we'll see that. And we have logical operator. Logical operator, we have AND, OR, XOR operator and in words also we can write it in the same way. And not and OR operator. And or not. These operators we are having. Okay. So what is the difference between logical operator and comparison operator? That is conditional operator. Okay, so here we can write only one expression to check the condition, but while we using the logical operator, we can check more than a condition. Okay, in practical sessions, how to write the code, we'll see that later. And here, string operator. Okay, I'm going to concatenate two string. In echo message, in previous session, I print the two variable in single line. Okay, for that I used a dot operator. This is for the concatenation, like that I told you. So if you remember, it's okay. Otherwise, you just go through that video also. Okay, in that time I used a dot operator. Okay, and dot equal to operator also how to use, where we need to use, I will tell you later. And here we are going to concatenating the string using this dot and the dot equal to operator. Okay, in practical session how to use it, we will see that. After that, array operator is there. Okay, so array operator plus equal to not equal to. These are all the array operators and this one also we'll see. Okay, in a practical session we'll see that. And conditional assignment operator. So here we can name like another name, we can tell as ternary operator. Okay, in single line we can check the condition. So for that we can use it. And here we are using question mark and a colon. Okay, only in single line we can check two number and we can print the output using this operator. And how to use this operator, we'll see that later. Okay, so these are all the operators topic we are going to cover in this session. And in next session we will see all the operators, but in this session we will cover the arithmetical operator first. Okay, so next arithmetical operator. So what are the arithmetical operator? I told you addition, subtraction, multiple, division, modulus and exponential operator. So how to write this? Plus, minus, into, divide, modulus and exponential operator. For that we need to write 2 times into symbol. Okay. So whatever the values you are going to give in x, that value will be raised to the power of y. Okay. For example, 10. X value you are given 10. Okay. Consider like that. And y value if you give 2 times the 10 will get power and it will print the output. Okay. So in practically we'll see this how the value is powered. Okay. So how to use this arithmetical operator we'll see in a practical session. Now we'll go to the PHP server. Okay. And in that we are going to create the file and we will write the programs in that. Okay. Again one more time I'm telling. So once you are going to execute the PHP file, we need to start the control panel. I already started and I just click the admin button. My server is running in my system. Okay. So after that we need to create the PHP file in htdoc. Go to the C:, XAMPP server, htdoc folder. Inside that we already created the web page, right? You just open this folder and we already having this file and I'm going to use the same file for the operators also. Okay. So first we will open this file in a Visual Code. Just right click the folder, go to the show more option and here open with code. Click that menu, your Visual Code file will open here like this. Okay. So this is our previous code. Okay. Previous class code. Okay. And for the data types, we written this. And I'm going to the server first. In the server, first we will run the file. Okay, localhost / web page. So this is our previous class file. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this all the code from here. And now I'm going to use the same file. Okay. So I just refresh it. I'm not having any code in this. Okay. Now I'm going to write doc. And if you need to create separate page you can create it, but right now I'm going to use the same page. Okay, so for that only I removed that all the old pages. Okay, this is for the PHP operator. Okay, so I given a title like this. See, I'm having PHP operator like that on title, and inside the body tag I'm going to write one h1 tag about the PHP operator. Like that I'm on heading tag I'm written here. Okay, and I need to display this one in center. So for that I'm going to write a style equal to double quotation inside that color :blue. Okay, and then text hyphen align center. Okay, so see it will display in a center. Okay, and after that put one horizontal row HR. Okay, and just refresh it. Okay, one horizontal row is coming here, and after that I'm going to start the arithmetical operator programs, right? So for that I'm using H3. This is for the arithmetic operator. Okay, this is for the arithmetic operator program. Okay, so here what are the arithmetical operator? Addition, subtraction, multiple, divide and modulus, right? So for that here what I'm going to do, I will write on OL tag. Okay, OLLI. Okay, so first addition, right? Addition. Okay, so if I write like this, see I'm having one addition like that. Okay, and for an addition, I'm going to write the code here. Okay. See, here I'm going to write a PHP tag, and inside that I'm going to write a dollar symbol of A equal to 10 or 10, dollar symbol of B equal to 10. Okay, dollar symbol of C equal to dollar symbol of A plus dollar symbol of B. So this is for the addition. Okay, so I'm just writing echo inside that. I'm going to write a paragraph tag. Okay, p tag, and here I'm going to write sum of two number. Okay, number dollar symbol of C. Just that's it. I just save it and I'm going to refresh it. See, I'm getting the addition of two number code like this. Okay, and this is a PHP code for that. Okay, so any doubts in this? So I'm having a variable and a value. Okay, I declare two variable, and whatever the values we are having in the two variable, I calculated, assign the value to the C, and C is printing the output. Okay, this is for the addition. Okay, next subtraction of two number. Okay, so here I'm using subtraction, and I will write one more PHP tag. Okay, angle bracket close, and inside that you can use dollar symbol f and move equal to 150. Okay, so I'm assigning the value here directly. Okay, and I'm not using the text box. While we move on to the form, in that time how to get the value from the text box, we will see that. But right now just I'm assigning the value directly, and we will see the output for the subtraction right now. And the result RES equal to dollar symbol FNO minus dollar symbol SNO. Okay, this is subtraction, and same way I'm going to print the output, right? I'm going to just copy it here, SUB. Octo number is RES. Okay, just save it and go to the code and refresh it. So the subtraction of two number, I used the undefined variable, like that I'm getting an error in 26th line, right? So why it is undefined variable? I declared f and o, but here I used f, b, n. Okay, so we need to use the same variable to calculate, and then only it will calculate the value and it will print the output. Is it the subtraction of two number? And then what is the other operator? Multiple, right? So we'll write multiple. Now multiple of two value. Okay, so here I'm going to write one more PHP. Okay, I'm going to declare separate variable. See, I'm going to write price. Okay, price 200. Okay, and user quantity, they need a user quantity 3. Okay, so we need to calculate the total price, right? Total price is equal to dollar symbol, whatever the price we are having, using that we need to multiply the user quantity. Okay, so if you write like this, we'll get the echo, and here total product price is, and what is the total product price? Dollar symbol total underscore price. Okay, and write one paragraph tag. Okay, p tag, start tag also we have to write it. So here I am writing start tag and end tag. Okay, just put semicolon, save it, go to the browser and refresh it. This is for the multiplication. Okay. So next addition, subtraction, multiple, divide is there. So for division, write down here question mark PHP close. Division, I'm going to write dollar symbol again. X is equal to 180, dollar symbol, y equal to 2, and dollar symbol of z equal to dollar symbol of x divided by dollar symbol of y. Like this we have to write it. Okay. So this is a division, and I'm going to print the output for this, and here I go, division of two number is dollar symbol of z. Okay. So just save it and see the output for the division. Okay. Division of two number is printing like this. Okay. Next, modulus. Next, modulus, and for this I didn't return a paragraph tag, and I'm going to write a paragraph tag and just save it, and come to the browser and refresh it. Okay, division is coming here in the fourth one, and modulus. Okay, and what is the difference between division operator and modulus operator? I'm going to give the same value here also. Okay, I didn't copy it. I just copied this one and I'm pasting here, and see, it is a modulus, right? Modulus means what is the difference between division and modulus. So here it is modular output. Okay, we'll see that. See, here it is. Oh, I didn't change the operator, so I need to change the operator as modulus. Okay, so just refresh it right now. See, it's giving 0. There's a remainder value. This one is quotient value. Okay, that is the difference between division operator and the modulus operator. Okay, it's provide the divide value and the modulus value. Okay, the same code, but the operator I change it here. Okay, we are having same value only, 180 divided by 2, 180 modulus by 2. Okay, so if it is division 90, modulus means 0. Like this it will print, right? Here it is remainder value. This one is quotient value. Okay, next exponential operator. Exponential operator, and it used to display the power value. Okay, how to use the exponential operator, we'll see that. And here I'm going to write a PHP tag. Okay, and in this I'm going to write dollar symbol A equal to will give 100. Okay, and dollar symbol B equal to 2. 100 I'm going to power by 2. Okay, so what is the value for the C right now? Dollar symbol A into dollar symbol B. Okay, now you just print an echo for the exponential operator. Okay, value is value after dollar symbol of B, that is 2 power, right? Power is what is the value for the C? Printed, and here I'm going to write A. Okay, A value after 2 power is, what is the value? It will print. Okay, so like that we need to follow the statement here. Okay, Just I saved, and we'll see the output for this. And see here, exponential 100 value after 2 power, it's printing 10,000. Okay, so if you give 10, okay, after power it will print 100. Okay, so this is 2 power, right? If I give 5 power, again here it is 1 lakh, right? So if it is 3 power, okay, so like this it will work. It's power by b value. A is power by b value. Okay, 10 value after 3 power 1000. Like this it will print. Okay, so now we're able to understand this arithmetical operator, how to use it. Okay, so we'll see the small program, and I given a separate program code. Separately I calculated, and I will give one more program code for all the operators in single program. Okay, like that we will write it one program for the arithmetical operator only. Okay, next I'm going to print the student details. Okay, and I'm going to use the arithmetical operator in that. Okay, so we'll come here and I will write student details. Okay, and I'm going to use the arithmetical operator, not all the operator. We will use plus, divide, like that. Whatever the operators we need, we will use it in this code. Okay, so consider I'm going to print the student detail. So for that, what are the details we need to print the student detail? First we need a name, right? Student name. I'm writing John again. Okay, so again I'm going to write a standard. Okay, standard is here I will write 5th. Okay, 5th standard, and then I'm going to write a 5 subject mark. So for that I'm using M1 some mark, and then dollar symbol, M2 mark, dollar symbol, M3 some mark, dollar symbol, M4 and mark, dollar symbol, M5 and mark. Okay, I'm having 5 subject mark, and I need to find the total, right? So dollar symbol, total mark equal to, we need to calculate all the M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4, right? M4 plus M5. And for all the variables, we need to use the dollar symbol. Dollar symbol M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus dollar symbol M5. Okay, so we added all the marks here, right? And we need to find the average also. Okay, AVG equal to dollar symbol total mark divided by dollar symbol 5. Okay, number of subject we need to write it, and here directly we'll write 5. Okay, and after that I will tell you how to find the length and all. Okay, simply I'm calculating here, directly I'm using 5. Okay, so like this I calculated the value also. Okay, and finally I'm going to print this output. Okay, for that I'm not going to use the echo. Okay, instead of that echo I'm using an expression tag. I'm going to print it, and here I'm using F5 H5, and here I'm using the student name colon angle bracket question mark equal to dollar symbol name. Okay, so like this I'm going to print the student name, and as well as standard and total and average. I'm not going to print the mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, that value and all. Okay, so directly I'm going to print the student order standard. Okay, here it is standard, and then total, student total mark. Here we need to write dollar symbol total mark, and finally we need to print the average. Okay, so here we need to write AVG. AVG. Okay, that's it. Okay, now save it. Now go to the browser and just refresh it. We'll get the output here. And in this I used a plus operator and division operator also. Okay, like this way we can calculate the value, and we will write some other code also. In the same way you just try the employee, okay, product, like that you can give any name for that, and uh, do some simple calculation, like here I to calculate the total and quantity price, right? Total price here I calculated. In the same way you can try it any other program, okay, in the same way. Okay, so now you are able to understand how to use the arithmetical operator. Okay, so in next session we'll see the next operator, comparison operator. We'll see that. Okay, comparison operator, and after that logical operator. I will cover all the operators, but next we'll see the comparison operator and the logical operator. Okay, and after completing this we'll move on to the assignment operator. Okay, any doubts? So you have to do the practical session, and then only you can able to write the coding in your system. Okay, so think and write the program, and if you get any error, and read that error message, and solve that, find the solution for that error. Okay, then only you will be getting more knowledge in this language. Okay, thank you for watching.